Okay, here we go.
All right, this is a quick demonstration of the Pneumatics controller product that we have developed in-house. The idea for this is that R&D teams can super quickly and super easily control pneumatics, and this was not staged at all. We just happened to have a project going on right now where our engineer Mark here thought, man, it would be super convenient if we had a easy way to control some simple motion to test out a process that we're working on developing. So, Mark, what are we looking at here? What are we trying to do very high level?
We're just trying to dispense some very small balls precisely, 2 at a time.
2 at a time, all right. And this is the Pneumatics controller interface, some software that Mark wrote. This is part of the product. It comes with all the hardware necessary, which is in this controls cabinet, and then the software to very quickly, very easily run it without having to know any programming or coding whatsoever. All right, so now Mark's gonna, here's what the no-code programming looks like. Drag and drop logic blocks, and then we can run it.
Here we go. Gonna loop the sequence.
So there we go. Dispensing the balls 2 at a time, as was intended. And how long did it take you to write the quote-unquote program for this motion, Mark?
The program for this probably took a minute.
A minute. 1 minute to write. Amazing. All right, so I literally walked away for 5 minutes and came back, no joke, and Mark had hooked up a second cylinder here, and I just wanted to show this to illustrate how powerful this kit is, this pneumatics controller kit, because you can so quickly and so easily create additional axes of motion. I think we have 16 digital in, 16 digital out, and 8 analog in, 8 analog out. So you can obviously create many more degrees of freedom than what we're showing right here, but literally 5 minutes later I came back and Mark had added a second degree of motion and updated the program to work with that second degree of motion.